ciumanaga na mai na makana na mai magiko riri mbura ya kiboboto igitanyitwo ikorwo igithandana kuma mweri wa mweri wa kimera kia mwere ni mweri wa 10 gukiri uguo ni makia kana ni makiarire mitaratara imwe ya iria kana magitanyitwo ikorwo makihurana na hathara iria yumanaga na mirimu uyu kana imwe arita gukorwo makithingura mitaro ya gutema magiko oro ndomwe na kuheana njanjo cia mirimu ya korera. Reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti ino tawe tukiharirio ni mwandiki Tiba cia Wawajiri.
Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mweri guku bururi-ini ni rwikitie ritana riri mbura ya nino itanyitwo kuura mweri uyu ukite. Mwandiki mukaru wa ugima wa mweri Mbere Muthoni ni oritie muingi kwihariria kando na kwirigirira thirikari.
Like we have El Nino coming right now. How prepared are we in our households? Because it's not just about the government, what the government is doing, it's also what the people are doing in their small circles, in their small areas of living. Therefore, we need to look out for those things that need to reduce the diseases that make us go to hospital more often.
Ohoni ugite ni marathie na mbere na kurutwo kuri muingi iguru rigie mitaratara miega ya uhariria guku magitheria mitaro ya njira cia mai hamwe na kumurika matura maria mari hatika-ini nene ya kugea na miihuro ya mai kuria mathondekete njira cia mai na kuria muingi uthamire icigo iria ci iguru.
Doing a lot of sensitization to the masses so that where we are detecting that there's going to be waterlogging, we clear it. If it is an issue of infrastructure, they are rectified right now, and that is already happening. It's not something that we are planning. It's already happening. Ensuring that the masses who live on areas where there's likely to be a lot of waterlogging, they move to higher grounds, or we build on trenches that are going to clear the water away.
Ni makoretwo makiheana njanjo cia kolera na polio iria ni imwe ya ndwari iria igicungirirwo ni mbura ya El Nino.
Preparedness, remember we have already done polio vaccination, cholera vaccination, which the campaigns that we have been doing, and this has gone with sensitization on how to also prevent some of the waterborne diseases that are likely to come with El Nino.
Ni anyitetwo mbaru ni muruna we Dr. Salim Ali Hussein uria ugete kugacirithia motungata ma urigitani ni ukuongerera wigiririku na ukinyaniria mwega wa motungata kuri muingi.
Huu utakuwa ni mtandao ambao tutaweka pamoja vijiji, tutaweka pamoja zahanati, tutaweka pamoja vituo vyetu vya afya ili viweze kufanya kazi pamoja, ili ziweze kutoa huduma kwa bora, ili wale wauguzi wetu waweze kushirikiana wote ili wasifanye kazi wakiwa peke yao.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Mbacia Wawajiri.
Aya, nega